Face packs are the easiest way to whiten and rejuvenate your skin. It not only helps to remove tan but also brightens up your skin and makes it look healthy. In this video, we tell you about a magical face pack that not only helps you get rid of acne and acne scars and makes your skin brighter, softer, and supple. To prepare this magical face pack for skin whitening, you need 1 tablespoon almond powder. Almonds are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant that helps to clear up your complexion. 1 tablespoon chickpea powder. Chickpeas are a good source of magnesium that helps in reducing fine lines and smoothens out your skin. 1 tablespoon multani methi. Multani methi helps to even tone your skin, reduce pigmentation, and prevents your skin from sun damage. ½ teaspoon of wild turmeric. Wild turmeric has antibacterial properties that treat acne and acne scars or remove unwanted hair from your skin. ½ teaspoon of Husni Yusuf powder. Husni Yusuf powder clears dead skin cells, unclogs pores, removes excess oil from the skin, and gives you healthy and fair skin. 1 teaspoon of lemon peel powder. Lemon peel powder is used as a skin exfoliant, which helps to remove dead skin cells and impurities from the skin. It also treats blackheads and whiteheads. Now mix all the powder ingredients and store them in an airtight container. How do we prepare this pack? Now take 1 tablespoon of this powder and mix it with honey and rose water to get a paste. Apply this pack to your clean face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off your face with a gentle massage. You will notice radiant and youthful skin. For better results, use this pack twice a week.